Hello and welcome to this demonstration of the use of SQL-Ledger ERP for not-for-profit organizations, basic bookkeeping for associations. And our case study is going to be Excellent District of ICAN. This is just to demonstrate what the software can be used to achieve. We shall do the following in this demonstration: create members' profiles, and also demonstrate how we can upload the pictures or photographs of members. We can bill members for subscription, development levies, receive payment, and we view different types of reports. Let us go ahead and log into the software. This is how the software looks like in its original form, but because of the little customization I have done, just changing the logo alone, this is what it looks now for the district, the ICAN Excellent District. So just like with any other software, what we are going to do here first and foremost is to look at the chart of accounts, how it looks like. That is where it all begins. We click on Systems and we go to Chart of Accounts, List Accounts. From here we can see this is the list of all the charts of accounts that we have. The banks are listed here, and the liability sides are also here. Then we have the income aspects of it is all captured here. Salaries and emoluments, they are all listed here. The different types of expenses that will come across in any business, not only associations, but every business. So let us go first of all and create a profile. To create a profile for members, we need to go to customers and add customer. And here we'll be presented with this form here, and it's just to click in and post as much as we can. I'm going to post just one, and then I'll bring in the other members. Mr. Julius Doyo, male, and Jos. The city is Jos, Plateau, and the code is 234. Country is Nigeria, and the phone number is 089-454-22877. That will be the number, and we can put an email here for us, julius@gmail.com. The other items here that we need to set are the default. I will select membership, and then I select any of the accounts here that I want. I just picked the first one there. Price group here, I want to select FCA, and I haven't selected that. The other ones we can leave them as they are. Though let me select this as a prepayment account. Everything is okay, but I need to add the photographs of this member. I will click on this question mark, click on browse, and I'll pick this. I click on open, click on continue. I will put the name here, the name of the member as Julius Doyo, and I'll select that checkbox. Finally, I will save. And once I save, anytime we want to check that member's profile, click on reports, search. Let's just get the name and click on continue. We will be presented with the details. This is the name. Now if I click on this again, now I should be able to see, yes, this is the passport of the member that we have created. Now without waste of time, let's go ahead and import the members profiles. Instead of billing them, we'll go to import customers and we'll browse to where we have that folder. So I will go to this and select members here. I've prepared a profile, members list there. It's going to bring up all the members, all the names. Yes, there are about 300 of them, and you can see 300 members. All I need to do is to click on import. It will bring in all the members of that Excellent District into the account. Having brought the names, you can check if you want to click on this search. I will click on continue to pull out all the names. These are the names of all the members here. Now, this is quite interesting. What we do next now is to bill. Let's prepare a bill for all the members. And because I don't want to prepare them one by one, I'm going to prepare them in bulk. All of them will be prepared in mass. So I'll click on generate membership dues. I'll click here and type demand notice for members 2022. I'll put in a percentage sign and press the enter key. The members I want to bill are the FCAs, and they are liable to pay their subscription, which is 10,000, and development levy of 3,000. I'll click on go, and I'll select the date. Let me backdate it a little to 27th of December. Having done that, the next thing to do is to click on generate. Remember, I must select the FCA here, and this will quickly bring in bill all the FCAs. I'll click on continue, and it has selected them. See the FCAs, all members that are here are FCAs, and what I'll do next is just to click on generate, and the software will bill all these members that are here. It will take a while. Each of the FCAs will be billed. Yes, they have been billed. Yes, all of them have been billed. Let's go ahead and likewise build the ACAs. We could follow the same process, and we click on demand notice for members 2022. We select the ACAs, membership dues ACA, and their development levy. The ACAs are paying 5,000, and we click on continue. This is what it will look like. We also backdate it and click on continue. From here, you can say generate. Remember, we must select the ACAs from here, otherwise it will bill others, or it will bill everybody else. And let me select this just to show. We'll click on continue and see only the ACAs now are selected, and what will happen here will be to say generate, and all the members have now been billed. This process is recommended because it makes it easier so that when those members come to pay, or make any payment, we just merge the payment against the receivable that we have here. We can now check the balances of each member by going to account receivable reports, transactions. Let us now pick and ask for number. We click and it will bring out all the bills. You could see how all these members have been billed. The FCAs were billed first, and you could see the ACAs are paying 8,000, while the FCAs are paying a total of 13,000. See how easy it is. Now, let's assume that we want to receive a payment. We go to cash and select receipts. Once we click on receipts, we will select the account receivable, and the software will populate all those that were billed. You could see. So if you want, you could pick any of them. They are here with their membership numbers or their membership numbers. If you say receipt, it means it's going to just select one. Though it has done one here, if I click on continue, I'll be given opportunity to select any person of my choice. Let's assume I want to select Mr. Doyo. Can click on there and select the account receivable. When you click on update, it will pull all the amount that is owed by this member out here. Once you click on the check mark up here, it will now put in the amount here. We are going to receive it from the payment. We are going to receive it to United Bank for Africa. You can put the source here as cash. We paid cash. Could say cash receipts for 2022 dues. This is how it looks. Everything is now okay. Let's now post. And once we post, it will remove the liability from that member. Let us click and see from transaction. Let's click on due. Let's select on when the payment was made, the date that was paid. We click on continue. If you click, you will see that many people are owing, and there's one person who paid. Good, you could see from here that he was paid. He paid his own dues, and this has been nailed off. He's not owing anything. The date he paid was on this, it was also shown here, and is removed from the statements. Let's look at the reports, the trial balance. If you click here and click on trial balance, let's see how it looks. We'll see that from the account receivable, we have membership due, which is this. But the person that had paid, only one person has paid, and the money went to United Bank for Africa, and the income for membership dues is 285. Income development levy that is collected is 900. Let's look at the income statement. If you click on income statement and click on continue, this is what we will see. We could also use the template here and click on continue, and this is what we will be presented with. There are no expenses yet. Then if you want the balance sheet or the statement of financial position, you can go to this, and this is how the account is looking for now. So let's assume that all the members decided that they will pay all their dues. No one wants to be left behind. We can go to cash, receipts, and pick this and select the account receivable. The software will populate everybody. So once I click on this, it will now bill, receive payment, and the payment is going to this bank account here. Yes, we are receiving about 3.7. Let's assume that we don't want the money to be there. We take it to Fidelity Bank. This is where it is supposed to go. And once we have seen everything is okay, we'll put a memo here that we want, a memo. So all members have paid. You could just go ahead and click on post, and all these members account will be updated automatically. It's updating it. Good. It has updated all the members. Can see all of them with their membership numbers. Once you click on post, that job is okay. We now click and look at the trial balance again. If you click on the trial balance, by the way, you could select the date that you want the trial balance to show, from this date to this date here. And you could select either to include headings, to include subtotals, or all accounts. So we just click and continue. You can see that the account receivable is showing zero balance as ending balance. We have money in United Bank for Africa, and Fidelity Bank will also have money there. And these are income. Let's all look at the balance sheet. The balance sheet also the same thing. This is what we have here. This is what is showing here for us to see. Could get it on this and click on this. Good. It has a comparison for previous years. This is what you will see on the trial balance. So, in a nutshell, this is what we can show for accounts for not-for-profit organization, for associations like the Institute of Chartered Accountants in Nigeria. This software could be adopted by districts to keep their records. It's open source, so they could change anything that they want from it and make it work the way they want it with the logo of this, instead of going to pay so much money to buy software. Thanks for your attention. I will see you in the next